Hello and welcome everyone. This is Shivam Kumar from Biostat Applied Science. As you all know, हम लोगों ने एक ड्राइंग कंपटीशन रखा था. टॉपिक क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस अमॉन्ग इंडियन सिटीजन्स अबाउट कोविड-19. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ने इसमें एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट किया और अपने पेंटिंग्स भेजी. तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस करने वाले हैं. एंड मैनी थैंक्स टू दो स्टूडेंट्स हु एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दिस ड्राइंग कंपटीशन. हमने रजिस्ट्रेशन का डेट 15 जून टू 23 जून रखा हुआ था. तो आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग रिजल्ट अनाउंस करेंगे. सो आई नो यू ऑल हैव वेटेड eagerly for your results for this drawing competition. So before announcing the results, I would like to say few words about BioSetup. BioSetup जो है एक हमारी बायोटेक कंपनी है जो कि बेसिकली ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग, ई लैब लर्निंग, वर्कशॉप्स कराती है लाइफ साइंस स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, जैसे कि मॉलिकुलर बायोलॉजी, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी एंड मैनी मोर. क्योंकि आप सभी को पता है कि आजकल स्कूल, कॉलेजेस, लेबोरेटरीज जाना पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो हम लोग इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ कराते रहते हैं जिससे बच्चे भी एक्टिव रहें और उनका ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट हो. हम बेसिकली एक स्टूडेंट के ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट को फोकस करते हैं. इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ कराते रहते हैं कि इससे में बच्चों के प्रति जागरूकता आए और वो आगे बढ़कर ऐसी चीज़ों में एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करें. हम आगे भी और जैसे कि ऑनलाइन क्विजेस, ऐसे राइटिंग, वीडियो क्लिप कंपटीशन, इस तरह के एक्टिविटीज़ ऑर्गेनाइज करते रहेंगे तो कि आप आगे आकर इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें. फिलहाल हमने इस ड्राइंग कंपटीशन को ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया, अपना रुचि दिखाया, अपनी पेंटिंग्स भेजी. उन सभी को दिल से धन्यवाद. So connect with us. We will help you to learn many scientific skills and lab trainings. तो हमारे कोलैबोरेशन पार्टनर डीएनए लैब्स देहरादून से सीनियर साइंटिस्ट डॉक्टर नरोत्तम शर्मा ने विनर्स और सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए कुछ विशेष भेजी हैं. तो आइए चलिए उनसे रूबरू होते हैं पहले.
So good evening to one and all. I am Dr. Narottam Sharma from DNA Labs, a Center for Applied Sciences, Dehradun. So BioSetup, a unique platform which Aragyadeep and Shubham has started for making and helping the students in the field of biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry, medical lab technology, botany, zoology, environmental science and all. And I congratulate each and everyone who participated in drawing competition which was organized by BioSetup platform, as well as I congratulate all the winners who won the different prizes in this competition. So all the best for the young ones. Thank you.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर नरोत्तम आपकी विशेष के लिए. और हमारे साथ अनिंदिता मैडम जो कि कटिहार से जुड़ी हैं, वो बेसिकली एक ड्राइंग टीचर है जिनके बिना ये ड्राइंग कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज करना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाता. उनके बच्चों ने बहुत ही एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट किया. तो आइए चलिए देखते हैं उनकी क्या विशेष है हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स और हमारे विनर के लिए.
Hello, myself Anindita Das. I am a master in fine arts. I am a drawing teacher and I have a drawing academy. I want to thank BioSetup Life Science who got such a good competition over COVID-19. Because everyone knows social distance is very important to avoid COVID-19. Is an epidemic and it is necessary to use mask, sanitizer together. On this topic that our students took part in this competition, and soon you should get competition on some other topics. Thank you.
Thank you Anindita madam for your wishes for our participants and winners. तो चलिए अब देखते हैं उन पेंटिंग्स को जो हमारे पार्टिसिपेटेड स्टूडेंट्स ने प्रेजेंट किया है. तो लेट्स टेक अ लुक. It was really difficult for our jury members to select 3 among them. फिर भी हमने कोशिश किया कि बेस्ट पेंटिंग्स को ही अवार्ड मिले. सो नाउ दिस इज़ द टाइम टू अनाउंस रिजल्ट्स. आप लोगों ने बहुत ही वेट किया और अपनी बहुत ही एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट भी किया. तो सबसे पहले मैं थर्ड प्राइज़ अनाउंस करना चाहूँगा. सो थर्ड प्राइज़ गोज़ टू शालिनी दास एंड मेघाश्री. इट्स अ टाई बिटवीन 2 पार्टिसिपेंट्स. तो चलिए देखते हैं उनका क्या कहना है, उनकी क्या विशेष है और कुछ अपने वीडियो के द्वारा वो संदेश भी देना चाहते हैं.
Hello everyone, I am Shalini Das and I am presently pursuing my bachelor degree in Justice Bashir Ahmed Syed College for Women. What I want to portray from my art is like it is really important at this point to create awareness among people about COVID-19. Amidst this pestilence, it's really the need of the time to abide by the norms of the lockdown. We need to actually break the chain of the virus. We need to maintain a social distance, like covering our face when we go out. Then we have to use hand sanitizer while coming from outside or frequently in a day. Then we need to actually be socially responsible as we must stop the community spread, as well as we shall strive for bringing about a new normal. So that is all I want to say. That is all I want to you be aware of, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Megha Shri, a first year student graduating from Biotechnology and Biomedicals. First of all, I would like to show my gratitude to BioSetup Life Sciences and all the members of this grand group to offer me a chance to express my views for creating awareness against the Indian society, against the coronavirus for the Indian society. Basically, coronavirus are zoonotic, that is, they can be transmitted between animals and people. It rapidly affects the mass in an adverse way. So some of the measures should be precisely taken to fight against corona. So I have represented my poster through which I can express that how should an Indian citizen should necessarily take the precautions to fight against corona. This is the poster that I have represented. Well, in this poster I have mentioned a huge coronavirus which is extremely pandemic in nature, which is being smashed by the Indian people. Here, these are those hands which is being held together by the Indian people who have taken the oath to smash to triumph against the coronavirus. So some of the measures which I have mentioned here should be effectively taken. That is, by staying at home, by washing our hands regularly, by abiding by the rules and the measures suggested by the corona warriors such as doctors, policemen, armed forces and the scientists who are day and night working for the welfare of our humanity, for protecting the lives of we Indians. And the last but not the least, by maintaining social distancing, especially in the public places. So these are the measures which should be effectively taken so that we can break the chain of corona. Thank you so much.
Now I would like to announce second prize winner for this drawing competition, and the second prize goes to इशिता राज. उन्होंने भी कुछ एक वीडियो बनाया है और एक संदेश देना चाहते हैं, तो चलिए देखते हैं.
Hello everyone, I am Ishita Raj from Baniya to Lakatiyar, and I read in Bethel Mission School in class 10, and I love to do paintings, and I got second prize in drawing competition organized by BioSetup Life Science. So I would like to thank all the teachers and members of Bio Life Setup.
So now I am going to announce first prize winner, एंड द फर्स्ट प्राइज गोज टू विजया एस। उन्होंने भी एक वीडियो बनाया है और कोरोना वायरस के लेके अवेयरनेस के लिए कुछ कहना चाहती हैं, तो आइए चलिए रूबरू होते हैं उनसे भी।
Morning to all the viewers, and myself Vijaya S. I am coming from Bangalore and I am pursuing my master's degree in applied microbiology in Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to BioCitep Life Science, who gave me an opportunity to participate in the drawing competition, which insists on the awareness among the Indian citizen regarding the COVID-19 or so-called the coronavirus. And I would like to add upon a point that this awareness is not only among the Indian citizens, it holds good for whole the country. So initially, when the cases and the patients suffering from coronavirus was very low, the awareness and the cautiousness among the people was very good, and they followed the rules and regulations of the government strictly, and they stayed at home. But later on, when they realized that they can live with the coronavirus, they started coming out of the house and without any safety, and the cases has increased to 1,000 to 10,000 now, and the patients are also suffering very lot from this COVID-19 disease. So what is my kind request from my side is that this lockdown is actually not equal to all. There are some people who depend on the daily wages and live their life, so we have to think of those people also. So I would like to my sincere request is that please stay at home, and if any emergency cases or if you want to buy needs or daily needs like groceries or something, please one person from each home can go and buy the items which is needed for the house, with obviously with the safeties, that is masks and gloves, and avoid unnecessarily going out of the home without a valid reason. So because the coronavirus does not show partiality among us as we do, because it is equal to all, it sees everyone in the same state. So it doesn't mean that okay, you are just a child, I will not affect you, or you're a hero or a heroine, I will not affect you, nothing like that. So it affects each and everyone equally, be it a child or be it a very old person. So I think you must have seen the cases, a 22-year guy or a girl died from this coronavirus, and please don't think that you are safe from it. So you don't know what happens next, so please be safe at your homes, and follow all the rules and regulations followed guided by the government, and please stay home and stay safe. And I would like to conclude that let's stop getting defeated by the coronavirus, and it's our time to start to defeat the coronavirus by stay home, staying safe.
सो मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन्स टू आवर विनर्स। आप लोगों ने बहुत ही एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट किया और जीतने पर आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ बायोसिटेप लाइफ साइंस की तरफ से। वी विश यू एवरी सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ। थैंक यू।